While we celebrate our independence, let's not forget the abhorrent violation of the basic human rights of our Kashmiri brothers and sisters who continue to yearn for freedom from oppression in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. We stand rock solid with them for their indelible right of self-determination as enshrined in the United Nations resolutions, and reassure our full political, diplomatic, and moral support to the valiant people of Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, this Independence Day in particular also calls upon us all to realize the gravity of the horrendous genocide, racial slaughter, and indiscriminate atrocities being persecuted with impunity by Israel against the helpless people of Gaza. The flagrant disregard to international and humanitarian law is a blemish on world's conscience and rules-based international order. Here, I would appreciate the efforts by the government of Pakistan towards peaceful resolution of the Palestine conflict and for continuous provision of humanitarian aid to the bereaved people of Gaza and for raising the Palestine issue at every forum in the world. ख़वातीन व हज़रात, हमारे आबा व अजदाद ने ये मुल्क कायम करके जो उम्मीद की शमा जलाई, हम उसे कभी बुझने न देंगे इंशाअल्लाह।